Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Mohindra from BE Software Engineering Group X1. Today I'll be talking about my project proposal, which is our first high distinction task for SIT111 unit. This is my agenda for today. I'll be going through all these statements one by one. Okay, so my topic is assistive communication device for people with motor disabilities. The introduction to the project idea. Assistive communication device for people with motor disabilities is an Arduino based project that helps people with motor disabilities in using basic appliances like light bulb and fan with their voice so that they don't have to rely on anyone else and feel helpless for tasks so simple. When we talk about people with motor disabilities, be it people who were born with these disabilities or people who are at an old age right now, so they are bedridden, both of them, when they have to ask for things so simple like can you please turn on the fan or can you please turn on the light, when they have to ask for such simple tasks which once was easy for them, it takes a really big mental toll on them. So the problem and the goal. What is the problem here? The problem is people with motor disabilities not being able to do basic things on their own and feeling helpless about it. What is our goal here? Our goal is to make it so that they don't have to struggle with such basic things which takes a mental toll on them every day. What is the solution? Developing a voice controlled system which makes the life a little bit easier for them. As we talk about people with motor disabilities, we can't even imagine being at their place. So all we can do on our part is make their life a little bit easier as much as we can. What are the existing solutions? What are some existing solutions in the market? The biggest existing solution right now are smart homes. What are their pros? They are easy to operate and they are packed with features. Of course, they are built by teams of engineers, so they will be easy to operate and packed by features. What are their cons? Their cons, the biggest con for them is they are too expensive for average user. The second con for them is they require specific appliances. Even if we talk about uh, substitutes to cheaper substitutes, a little cheaper substitute to smart homes, like let's say smart speakers, even they require specific appliances that are compatible with them, like bulbs or fans. So that is one of the cons for them. And complex installation and maintenance. They have to be, they are really complex to get installed. They are really expensive, and they have to be maintained every now and then. My idea of making it better. Basic idea is making it cost effective. One of the biggest idea behind this is making it cost effective so that people can actually use it and buy it and use it. The second is making it work with generic appliances. People don't have to buy people don't have to buy specific appliances for the product to use. Third is using voice commands to control these appliances. Using voice commands so that people with motor disabilities can actually use them without feeling helpless. At least they can do basic things like turning on fans or lights, as I explained already, and can be reproduced with ease using simple components, so they can be reproduced with ease. Okay. Why is it different? My design makes use of simple components like Arduino Uno and other simple components to make them reproducible and cost effective solution. As I talked about already, we have to make it using simple parts, so they are cost effective and they are both cost effective and reproducible. They are easy to operate and can be operated. They are easy to use and can be operated only using voice commands, so they can be used by everyone. Apart from people who have motor disabilities, anyone can use them. It makes their life easier as well. It is compatible with all type of generic fans and light bulbs, etc. So, what makes my idea different from the existing solution? As I've already told in parts, I will sum it up. One of the biggest thing is it is really cost effective. All of my project would cost me around 2 to 3,000 at max. So it is cost effective. and it uses generic appliances, so the people don't have to buy it. And yeah, okay, next slide. How does it work? It works as following. Voice command via microphone. The user commands the machine using a microphone. The voice command is converted into text on the virtual machine using the voice recognition software. Further, the text is compared to the predefined commands. Let's say the user says, please turn on the fan or please turn on the light. The voice command is converted into text on the virtual machine and using the voice recognition software, which is either going to be Google's API or Pocket Strings. Text is compared to predefined commands. Text is speech is converted to text and it is compared to predefined commands. Signal is sent to Arduino to control appliances. Okay, that's the basic working. Next slide. Hardware and software requirements. The hardware requirements are Arduino board, microphone, relays, LED, speaker, wires, and breadboard. So these are like really basic components so that it is reproducible. And also I'll be using in the final project I'll be using LEDs to simulate the working on lights and fans. The software Arduino IDE to program the Arduino board, voice recognition software on Linux virtual machine. These are the software requirements. In the conclusion, I would like to say that as human beings, we cannot compare our situation to anyone else. And when we talk about people with motor disabilities, they're in a far worse situation than us. Hence, it is our duty to make life at least a little bit easier for them. Hence, I will end my project proposal here. I hope everyone likes it. Thank you. I hope you like my vision. That's it on my part. Thanks a lot.